In this video we will learn how to find the formula for a sequence, but linear sequences in particular. The methods we're using here won't really work for other kinds, but certain aspects will. So what we're going to do? Well, we're going to compare our sequence with the corresponding times table and see how our sequence looks compared to those. And then we're going to make an adjustment to make it fit our sequence. So let's look at the formula for various times tables. So first of all, let's consider the formula for nth term equals 3n. So remember from our last video that the first 5 terms are going to be 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15. So the formula 3n gives the 3 times table. Well, you might have guessed that the formula for 5n gives the 5 times table, and the formula for minus 2n gives the little known minus 2 times table. So obviously the amount it goes up by each time is equal to the number that we multiply by the n. And what we're going to do is, we notice the 3 times table goes up by 3 by each time, the 5 times table goes up by 5 each time, the minus 2 times table goes down by 2 each time. Okay, so let's have 2 examples. So let's look at this sequence here: 6, 11, 16, 21, 26. We're adding on 5, adding on 5, adding on 5, adding on 5, and that's just what happens in the 5 times table. Now the formula for the 5 times table is nth equals 5n, so ours is going to be nth equals 5n, but we're going to have to make an adjustment. Now the 5 times table is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Our sequence is always one more, so the adjustment means we've got to add on 1. Now let's go our next sequence. So it goes 8, 5, 2, negative 1, being negative 4 and so on. So it's going down by 3 each time. Well, that's going to be just like the negative 3 times table. So that means we expect it to be negative 3n plus b. Now the negative 3 times table is negative 3, negative 6, negative 9, negative 12. These numbers are all 11 more. So that means our adjustment's going to have to be to add on 11. So the formula becomes minus 3n plus 11. I hope you found the video helpful. The video goes with a book that I'm writing for Year 9 Mathematics in New Zealand, and you can find a link to a copy of the book below, and that book is free for you to use and give to others. In the book you can find questions that go with this video, and in a link below this video you'll be able to find answers to those questions. Stay in Winfield with Winfield.